My bad. Way late start to this, but the CTS is finished enough. We're driving it home. Washington to Iowa. I said late start because we're already in Idaho at, what is the place called, B? Shushan. They're probably saying that wrong. This place is crazy. You know, this is cool and all, B, but I'm trying to get like that guy. Well, she does her photography and whatnot. I'll explain the car. Put the bumper on it last second, threw all the parts in the trunk, paint, everything, and the goal is make it all the way to Iowa and I paint it there and finish it, I guess. Finish it as well as I can for right now. Yeah. And I say that with meaning if you guys follow my TikTok, you've probably seen the progress of the CTS. But if not, and you're fresh on YouTube only, then this car has been a project for like a year. And it seems like every time I fix something, something else breaks. It's been sitting for a while, and now I don't know if I have a diff problem or it could be a torque converter problem. But either way, it's got like nasty vibration at like, I don't know, semi to like, I don't know, nasty vibration at like minimal throttle. So yeah, why not take a, you know, over 1,000-mile road trip on something like that? Figured it'd be fun. So anyway, if you've seen the earlier YouTube videos, this is my 2012 Cadillac CTS, and we put her back together. This whole front was smashed for some reason. But anyway, she's back on the road. Got like 500 miles under her belt so far. Pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, this is like held on by the minimal because you know, I plan on taking it back apart and doing its thing, you know, painting it, but fun stuff. But anyway, sun's going down. We got Grand Teton in the morning, Wyoming, and then Yellowstone. So we're gonna get a hotel and see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. The CTS has made it. And Teton. Hell yeah. We picked up a lot of stragglers. Look at all these bugs, man. I should put the grill on, keep it out of the radiator and whatnot, but oh well. She's still doing all right. Still kicking. She's got no acceleration, so that's lit. Still got the vibration. Keeps letting us know, you know, she's not perfect, but it's okay. Look at that view. This place is cool. Very scenic. I can't wait till it's finished. Another stop. Jenny Lake. Forrest Gump named this, you know. Look at how dirty this is, bro. Look how dirty it is. So many bugs. Alright, you ready? To Yellowstone. Actually, one more lake. Then Yellowstone. Two more lakes, then Yellowstone.
spend 2 minutes at October Bend and then Blackstone Lake and then do Yellowstone.
Jackson Lake, right?
It is Jackson Lake, the overlook.
We're at Jackson Lake. Look at that thing up there. Looks pretty good from this angle. All right, Yellowstone's next. Back on the road. Shout out to the guy that came up and said, "I like your caddy." He was walking at it from the back. He got around to the front and went, "Ooh." I don't know if this video is more about the car or our vacation at this point, but good old Yellowstone. All right, just saw some waterfall. What was it called?
Grand Canyon of the Yellowstone.
The Grand Canyon of the Yellowstone. It was big, but that was our last stop for Yellowstone, I think. And now it's raining. Hell yeah! But now, let's load them up. Head to South Dakota.
Yes.
That. I'm supposed to do that.
Yes. We've been sitting for too long.
Oof. Oh, sweet mother of God. That was rough.
Pretty rough.
Good morning, good morning. She's still there. We were able to hammer down to Buffalo, Wyoming last night. Let me tell you, there's not much quite like bombing through Wyoming back roads in a thunderstorm in a car that's not 100%. Really sketchy. But we're about to hit the road again. I think it's like 3 hours until we reach Mount Rushmore. And then, yeah. I don't know what's next. 3 hours till we reach Mount Rushmore. We gotta go look at some rocked up, some bricked up, some hard. We'll look at some rock hard presidents. There you go. That's some funny ones. Yeah, 3 hours till we see some rock hard presidents. Oh yeah, shout out Buffalo Inn for their $10 room. Right, B? She accidentally used rewards from our Expedia account, so she was mad. It's about that goddamn time. Yeah. Come on. You can see where they're rock hard. Alright, that's Mount Rushmore checked off the list. B, do you think it's worth it?
It's okay.
It was a good day to do it. I mean, I've seen horror stories about people coming here and it's like cloudy.
Yeah. You got lucky.
But yeah, saw some rock hard presidents that love hard rock and are hard rock. Anyway, yeah, I'm sorry. We're gonna go to the Badlands now. You're Alright, made it to the Badlands. It's freaking sweet. So is this thing. Some people were totally hating, but you know, she'll be pretty by the end of the trip. Alright, bear with me. She got excited and hit the jets, but here we are. Damn. So that's the Badlands. Sick. Alright. Let's go home.
It's raining again.
Alright. Badlands are done. Iowa, here we come. Say I'm awkward. Alright, well, it's the next night or evening. We made it, had a full day. It's fun, seeing family and whatnot. Car's minty, she's good. Sitting over there behind this Charger. Road trip over, vacation has just begun though. Thanks for coming along on the ride. Yeah. Friggin', yeah. Thanks for watching. It was fun. And I guess we'll see you next time. Oh yeah, I wish my out be normally. We said on the last one that I was going to finally come out with some funny outro.
What do you think?
Thanks for watching, and I hope you smiled.